Musamseleku's wives Mangwabe, Makhumalo, Mayeni at Macele's wedding, they gave Macele a crown and said this is the queen. So it shows respect, but Macele took it for granted. That's why Makhumalo, Mangwabe and Mayeni, they are no longer be interested on Macele. Macele says what she did wrong to Musamseleku's wives. Macele have to know her attitude was the one who separate herself amongst the others. When they have got a family trip, Macele says she doesn't want to be at family trip. She is not comfortable. That's why those wives, they don't care about her. If she came or not came, they are busy enjoying the family trip. So Macele on season 8, when they say they have got a family trip, they are very happy. She knows because they did it on season 7. Musamseleku's wives on season 7, they are getting along, the whole family, but Macele was not there. Macele thinks that she is fixing them, but they don't care because Macele expecting Musamseleku's wives to beg her every time. They want to beg her because she is the first wife, but they say enough is enough. So on season 8, they go at family trip. Macele planned her trip with Makwela. She wants to fix them or to feel the pain. I don't understand Macele the way she is doing, but Musamseleku is blinded by Macele. He does not know that Macele is playing a game with Musamseleku's wives, or maybe she wants them to feel sad. Now on therapy, I saw them together, the three of them. Guys, I love that team, Mayeni, Mangwabe, and Mayeni. Even they misunderstanding each other. But when they came to agree with each other nowadays, they can become a unity. Musamseleku and Macele was very shocked to see Istimela Semzumbe on season 9. They are together with Mayeni, because Macele was very happy to see Mayeni and Makhumalo, they misunderstanding each other. Those people, they know how to play the game, even they don't get along. But in front of Musamseleku and Macele, they pretend like they are okay, their relationship is okay. So that's why you saw Macele doesn't and say what she did wrong to Musamseleku's wives, what. And I love the way they are united, Mangwawe, Mayeni, and Makhumalo. When they say something in front of Musamseleku and Macele, they agree each other. They don't fight in front of them. It shows unity. But Macele maybe thinks that they are desperate. What? Those wives, guys, at that time, yes, they are begging here, but they saw that Macele is a kind of person that she thinks that she is so special, or maybe she can say some of the words they can being hurt or what. But they say they don't care if she can say something or what, because she is the queen. Yes, Macele is the queen, but why she can't be with other wives, or she can feel special? Musamseleku says we have got a family trip. Guys, I don't understand Musamseleku when he was forcing Mayen to be at meeting. But when it comes to Macele, when she says a word that she can't be on a meeting or on a family trip, Macele can do whatever she want to do. When it comes to Makhumalo, Musamseleku can force Makhumalo things what she doesn't want to do. But when it comes to Mayeni, Musamseleku can feel okay with Macele when she says she doesn't want to be at family trip. Or Macele can say a word in front of Musamseleku's wives that can hurt them. But Musamseleku doesn't say anything. He can feel okay with those things. So they mastered the game. Makhumalo, Mangwabe, and Mayeni, even they don't get along. But in front of Macele, they can do something that Macele can get hit. Even that Ustimela Semzumbe, they don't expecting that they are going to be happen like that. That's why Macele says, I will come with a drum and what, you understand? Because she want to hit Makhumalo, what, because Makhumalo saw Utando Nestembo season 9 on TV. So guys, there is a lot, because Macele thinks that she is special or what, because that at that time they gave her a crown. they have got a hope that Macele can change her mind and being a good person, but they saw that Macele doesn't care about anyone.